Hey, what up, folk? So it's kind of dark out here, a little bit. Like, I'm doing this for a reason. I'm flying at dusk for a reason. I'm at my normal spot, the church spot, and I got something new today. I got the E-Flight Umx Timber Evolution. So this is like the latest timber to come out, and I heard this thing is the bomb. I'm about to kind of do it. It ain't really a real unboxing. I mean, I opened it early and binded it up, but this is like my official unboxing, I guess. I ain't never really even done an unboxing, but yeah, like all UMX planes, comes in a good you know, foam wrap. Get this off of here. I already had it out earlier. Let me pull this out. I'm gonna do the maiden flight also. So here it go. It's got nice lights and stuff on it. Seems like a cool plane. I had the first version, and I had the first version when, and it flew fine. So this one got lights on it. So I'm about to fire it up. It's getting kind of dark, so I wanted to fly it this time specifically so I could see those lights. So all right, I'm gonna get with y'all in a minute. So this is flying on a 3S, a 3S 300 milliamp Spectrum battery, and we'll see how it's gonna go. This will be my first time flying it. I guess I'll let it take off and safe on. Let me let it initialize. I'm using my NX8. I love this radio. It talks to you and tell you everything, so I love it. But yeah, I think, let me see, let's turn around and check all my, let me see, left, right, elevator. Oh, the rudder is all off. Oh man, let me see if I can trim that. I'm trying to trim it all the way because I ain't do no mechanical trimming. Hold on, I'm gonna do some mechanical trimming and I'll get right back with you. All right, I'm back. I did a little bit of mechanical trimming, so my rudder now, as you can see, is straight. So that should be a lot better for me. So let's see, left, right, elevator. All right, I got it on safe mode, so I'm gonna probably take off in safe mode. And that ain't good. All right, let's turn that off. I didn't have the, this is a true maiden, I tell you that. So I didn't have the hatch all the way back from the prop. That should be good. Hope I ain't got to trim that in no way. All right, that ain't bad. Let's see if the rudder works. So the rudder will work. This road is really, really rough. So
take off flaps.
I'll do a little bit of flaps, and we're gonna get up in there while we still can. Here we go, taking off. There we go. Whoa, turn off them flaps. And it's in safe. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of safe because I don't know if it's, I think it's still in safe. It literally is like, I don't know if it got safe on this switch. So let's give it some throttle.
Mid-rates.
What's up with safe?
Flight mode 3.
All right, well, come down. So it's like in safe, but it ain't cutting safe off. I'm gonna have to figure that out. All right, so come on back around and bring it down. Like I said, guys, true maiden. Come on back around. Them lights look cool as hell up there though. So I'm like literally, look, hands off throttle. I'm doing nothing. It have no throttle right now. I give it a look. As soon as I bump the throttle, it literally like just raises up. All right, fly around. Get a little bit of throttle. Oh, that's weird, yo. But I gotta learn the plane, so I think I got an idea why it's doing this, but I'm gonna just bring it out and bring it down, and I might call that as the maiden until I can figure out how to get safe off. It's literally like just being like a bird and floating on the wind currents. As soon as I bump the throttle, it like just takes off, stays in the air. I got elevator all the way down, like I'm pushing the stick all the way forward trying to bring it down, and it is not coming down. But I'll get it there. True maiden, true maiden. All right, so bring it down a little bit more. I love them lights. I'm gonna be flying this thing at dusk a good bit, so I'll bump the throttle just to. All right, I'll take that for now. But yeah, that's crazy. I don't know, man. It's like safe ain't cutting off, so I gotta figure out. I have to figure out.
Hold low.
I have to figure out what to do about safe, because
Normal mode.
all my other modes are working, but look, safe won't cut off.
High rate.
Even if I change my rates, no matter what I do, maybe.
Gear down.
There you go.
9,
So what happens is when you bind it up
6,
and you hit, this don't have gear,
2,
so
1.
it don't have gear, so my gear switch was up, which means it kept safe on. So
Takeoff flaps.
all right, let's try one more flight.
Landing flaps.
Here we go, with no safe, going low rates. Let's try it one more time. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, oh no. Oh gosh. What was that? It literally had no response. Oh my God, I tried to catch it, y'all. Hold on, let me turn off the throttle. This thing is going in, yo. I may not need flaps, I don't know. But it definitely flew up in doing what it want to do. How do I get it out? Jeez Louise.
Safe mode.
But safe mode ain't safe mode though. I think it just need to be trimmed out like really bad. Okay. This thing is being a real headache. I don't want to give up though. So let's just take them flaps off. I don't even think it need them flaps. It's crazy how determined I am to get this thing to fly. Please don't crash it. I just bought it today. All right, so that's with. Yeah, it just need to be trimmed like really bad. Man. All right. All right. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm about to get you to come down, gal. I don't want to lose you up there. All right, so come on down.
Takeoff flaps.
All right, so I got flaps out because I'm gonna just bring it down. I'm gonna have to do some
Landing flaps.
I'm gonna have to do some trimming.
Mode.
Some definite trimming, y'all. But I like it though. I mean, it is all over the place, but I like it.
Takeoff flaps. Gear up.
All right, so that's back in safe mode so I can get it down.
Normal mode.
I took the flaps off and I'm gonna just get her down. Flare up, and I'll take that. It's tough, y'all. This a maiden, it's tough. But hey, that's all right though. You gotta learn. It's been hairy so far. It's been like a hairy flight, you know what I'm saying? And I'm walking to retrieve it, but it's been a hairy flight. But I tell you what, I don't know what's up with this safe, man. I don't really get it. There goes the police right there. They shouldn't say nothing. Should be all right. But I don't know what's going on, man, with the safe. But we'll figure it out. And I'll get it back. I know it's dark, y'all can't see me, but we'll figure it out and I'll get it back. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. RC Aviator out. Peace.